Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see another exciting tool, right? So that is known as the GitHub Copilot, right? So many of you have heard about and many of you are using this, right? But this is about the next level. Okay, so how to use this first of all, and for what purpose we are going to use this. So suppose if you have a zero coding knowledge, right? Or if you have a very moderate level of coding knowledge, right? But still, if you want to write some code, if you want to create some applications, right? So suppose say for example, I have know that much the coding knowledge, right? And I want to create my portfolio website, right? So how I can create that? So with the use of this GitHub Copilot platform, we are going to use that, right? So first of all, how you can use that? You need to install the GitHub Copilot. You can say extensions. So here you can just type GitHub Copilot, right? You just install it, right? And log in via your GitHub account, current account, right? So once you logged in, you will see the particular symbol over here. If you click on this, then the status is ready. That means you have successfully logged into your particular GitHub account, right? Now, this is a new symbol added, and this is the recent announcement from the GitHub that they are going to provide the latest LLM supports with this particular free plan, right? So if you click on this, you just open the chat, then you are able to see this particular interface. Okay, so here there are two interfaces are there. One is the edit with the GitHub, edit with the Copilot, right? And here the general, you can say question answer interface, right? So here you can just type down, you can just attach any file, you can speak also, right? So this is the speak technology over here, start voice chat, right? So you can just start telling that just create these particular extra XYZ website and XYZ application for me, right? Here you can see there are new models, all the latest models in a free plan, guys, right? So this is very exciting. So here you can see ChatGPT 4.0, O1 preview, O1 mini preview, and Cloud 3.5 Sonnet preview. So right now, currently, it is supporting these four latest, you can say, based coding AI tools or LLMs for us, right? So it is supported over here. So let's jump into this and try to create some application. So I want to create a portfolio website. So now it is assisting us and deriving some predefined stuff for us, right? And it is fetching the okay. So now here you see up till now we have only written the codes in that, but right now GitHub is helping us to create the entire workspace, guys, right? So you can see I don't need any knowledge, right? So here you can see they have created for me HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, simple. So in a portfolio website, there is no trending technologies are required. This is a very simple demo example. So you can also customize that with a specific language, right? Suppose create portfolio website in React.js, Next.js, like that. Okay, but here I want just that particular application in HTML, CSS, and JS only, right? So now here you can see it is creating entire workspace. So I need to select the create. So right now I'm just going to save on my desktop. Here it is creating the particular, you can say, entire workspace for me. I have not created any file. I have not written a single piece of code, right? Now it is asking me, would you like to open the created workspace? Yes. So I'm just going to create I'm just opening the workspace. Here you can see the required files are also there. Here you can see this is my index.html file and all that stuff, right? So here you can see right now, suppose if I open it in a default browser, right? So it is giving me like this particular, you can say interface, right? I'm not happy with this. So let's customize it. How you can customize it? So I just need to go over here Okay, and here you can see the another portion is there, that edit with GitHub. So I just click on this. Okay, so here you can see it is opening the particular portfolio, you can say index.html file over here. Okay, right? So I want some CSS to be added for better UI. Okay, so this is a UI enhancement CSS. You can see automatically the file is going to be created. Here you can see they are providing us the particular changes and all that. So I just need to accept it. Okay, and suppose now if I just go and rerun this, then you can see now there is a nice interface. Now everything is going to be arranged in a proper manner and all that, right? Now I want to add home, about me sections. Okay, so again it is just creating the stuff for me, right? And also it is making some changes in the file, right? Now you can see here the home section style. So whatever they are adding, they are just intimating you, right? So that is it. These are the changes I have made, right? Accept. Okay, again refresh, and you can see. Okay, now I want something over here, so write some small paragraph for about me, and also add profile picture. You see guys, I just need to write what I want, right? Everything will be taken care by the GitHub Copilot. So here you can see this particular, you can add your name and your professions and what is your specialization and all that stuff, right? So here I just need to accept, again accept. Okay, right? Let's see what changes GitHub made. Okay, good. Okay, home, about us, picture. So I need to provide the path of my picture, right? So here you can see I have already copied my path. Okay, good. You can see over here, right? But here I want this particular profile picture in this header section, right? So let me write that, put my profile picture in the header section, right? So yes, it is added. Accept, just refresh it. Yes, it's a wonderful, right? Suppose if you want some new pictures, if you want some another stuff, right? So you just ask the GitHub Copilot and it will do the stuff for you, right? So here you can see the particular entire website I have created, the entire page I have created without writing a single piece of code, right? Without writing a single piece of code. The entire workspace is created. Whatever changes I can make that. Okay, right? So you can see nowadays the particular generative AI is getting popularity due to this kind of particular useful stuffs, right? So because of that, the particular development time is going to be speed up for the developers. Okay, so you just use it and try to enhance your particular productivity with the use of this kind of AI tools. Thanks for watching, guys.